students, welcome to the online video class of computers. Today I am going to start with the assignment number 30 first. Okay, here the previous topic I have taken again keyboard. Okay, now this is worksheet number 6. Okay, note down all these things and mention it in your notebook. Now children, here is our question number 1. Name the key used to perform the following tasks. Now children, we have studied about the different types of keys which are present on the keyboard. Okay, like name of them, just recall it. What are the keys? Like alphabet keys, number keys, backspace key, enter key, spacebar key, caps lock key, then what else? Punctuation marks keys. Okay, so children, these are the different keys which help us to perform the different tasks. So here I have given some tasks. You have to identify that which key is used to perform these this particular respective tasks. Okay, so here is the first one, to type letters. Okay children, now which key is used to type letters? Letters means the words or the alphabets. Okay, so obviously letters are the words, so we would use alphabet key. So write down here alphabet keys. Okay, next is to type numbers. Obviously if you want to type numbers on computer screen, then you would use number key. So write down NUMBER, number keys. Okay, now third one, TO2 GIVE, give space between two words. Also, it is known as the longest key. Now children, which key is used to give space between the two words? Yes children, space bar key, as the name is itself suggests that what this key would do. Space bar key. Okay children, this key is also known as the longest key on the keyboard. Now next is to erase letters on the left of the cursor. Now children, this question is some confusing. This is a confusing type question. Why? Because there are two types of keys which are used to erase, that delete key and backspace key. But there is a big difference between both of them that I have already discussed in my previous video. Okay, now to backspace key is used to erase the letters on the left of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase the letter on the right of the cursor. Okay, so just make sure, don't get confused. Okay, if it is written left of the cursor, then it is backspace key. Okay children, then it is backspace key. Come here, you also want to study? Come. See children, look at this girl. She's so small and she also wants to study. Okay, bye. Not bye baby. See, she's also having an interest in studies. Okay, so you all must have to study hard at home. Okay children, say bye to everyone. Come back to study. Which key is used to erase the letter on the left of the cursor? Backspace key. Okay children, now to move the cursor in 4 directions. Now children, which key is used to move the cursor in all the 4 directions? Obviously children, arrow keys. So write down arrow keys. Okay, now children, I just hope that till now you must have learned the spelling of all the keys which are present on the keyboard. That's very good. You all have to learn the spellings of these keys. So now children, here is question number 2. Take the correct answer. Now children, these are the multiple type questions, but here you are not supposed to tick them only. Okay, you have to write down this question in your notebook and then you have to tick on the correct answer. Okay children, now the first is, how many number keys are present on the keyboard? Now children, How many number keys are there on the keyboard? Number key. What are number keys? The keys on which numbers from 0 to 9 are written. So if we started counting from 0 to 9 digits, then they are total 10. Okay. So there are 10 number keys present on the keyboard. Okay, children. Now, next question. Which key is used to erase the letter on the right side of the cursor? See, again the question has come, no? It is a bit of confusing type, no? The left or right, you have to take care of these things, that which key is used to erase the right side of letters present on the right side of the cursor, and which key is used to erase the letters present on the left side of the cursor. Okay. So now children, here, as we have studied before in previous question, that the key which is used to erase the letter present on the left side, that is backspace key. So here it is written right side, so it means obviously delete key. Okay, children, so don't get confused between delete key and backspace key. Now, question number 3. Which key is used to type in capital letters? So now children, two options are given here, control key and caps lock key. Now, as the name is itself suggests, caps and capital. Capital means capital letters like this. Capital like this. A, B, these are capital letters and these are small letters. So if you want to type all the letters in capital, then you would need to press caps lock key. Okay, children, do you get it? So, see, don't get confused, like this. I have underlined them also. Now, if such kind of questions will come in your exam, then you are not supposed to note down all the questions. You just need to write down the correct answer. Okay, answer to A part and then write down the answer. 10 is the answer, so simply write down 10. Okay, children, so this is how you have to do in your exam. Also, don't waste your time in writing down the questions or in noting down the questions. Okay, you just simply need to put the answers in proper sequence. If question is given, you have to write down the answers according to the question numbers which are mentioned in your question paper. Okay, children, so just take care of the time and also the sequence of the question number. Okay, now it's high time to study. Do practice at your home. Keep on writing. Do writing practices. Okay, now this is now for today, children. In this video, I'll take your leave now. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.